Hello. I'm Tim the Tech Guy. For TriTech Monitors, the cardiac monitoring specialists. Today we are going to learn how to print cardiac strips and vital signs reports from the MFM-CMS Telemetry Central Station. Whether you use a paper printer, or prefer PDF electronic documents, the basic techniques are the same. Real-time reports. A real-time report is an 11 seconds waveform report created at the time of execution. To print this report, click on the patient's name or in this general area. A window will appear. Now scroll down and click on the print command line. You will now see collecting data appear at the very top middle of the screen. Your server will collect this data for the next 11 seconds. Upon completion, a printer destination window will appear. At this point, you can pick whether you want a paper report or an electronic PDF record. If you choose the paper method, choose your printer from the drop-down menu. And then click on OK. Your document will print to your chosen printer. If you choose the PDF method, choose the Print to PDF virtual printer from the drop-down menu. And then click on OK. A print file destination window will now appear. Pick the proper destination folder, where you want to store the file. Now give your printout an appropriate file name. Then, click on the Save command. Your PDF has now been saved. Printing from Wave Review. Printing from Wave Review allows you print a report from any time index available in the full disclosure file. First, click on the patient's waveform or in this general area. You will be taken to another screen, and you now have access to the activities bar. Now, click on Wave Review in the activities bar. You can now use the navigation controls to find your desired time index. For an in-depth explanation of these navigation controls, please visit our website and search for the video, How to Navigate the Wave Review menu. Now, click on the Print command below the activities bar. You will be presented with two options: Normal Waveform Print and Compressed Waveform Print. If you pick Normal Waveform Print, you will get an 11 seconds printout preview of all your selected waveforms like this one. Now click on Print, and choose your method of printing as in the previous example. If you pick Compressed Waveform Print, you will get a compressed printout equal to the selected sweep speed of the display. Sweep speed selection can be changed here. For example, if you pick a sweep speed of 6.25 mm per second, your printout will show 1 minute, 15 seconds of waveform data, like this one. Now click on Print, and choose your method of printing as in the previous example. Printing from the ECG Waveforms menu. You can pick any time index in the full disclosure file to print from the ECG Waveforms menu. To begin, we must first click on the ECG Waveform button. You can even expand this view by clicking on the expansion box located here. At this point, you can click anywhere within this view to select an 11 second strip for printing. After you make your selection, click on the Print button above. Now, click on Print Current 1 segment. You will now see a preview of the soon-to-be printed document. If everything looks good, click on the Print button located here. You will now see a printer selection menu appear. Choose your printer, or choose Microsoft Print to PDF if you prefer electronic documents. You will still have to choose a PDF file name and destination. Printing multiple segments. You can print multiple segment selections from the full disclosure file by simply double-clicking the location you wish to print. When your selection turns blue, you will be able to choose another segment. Now that I have made 7 segment selections to be printed, I can click the Print button located here, and then choose Print Multi-Segment. This will bring up a preview of the intended document. Please note that you can have up to 6 segments per page. The 7th segment will be printed on a second page as indicated here. If everything looks good, click on the Print button located here. You can now select your printer and print, like in the previous example. Printing trend tables. To print trend tables, you must first click on the intended patient's trace to get to the activities bar menu. Now click on Trend Review, which will take you to the Trend Tables menu. You can enlarge this view by clicking on the expansion box, located here. Now click on the Print button, and then select Print Trend Table. A print preview window will appear. Now, follow the prompts to print, like in the previous example. Printing trend graphs. To print trend graphs, you must first click on the intended patient's trace to get to the Activities bar menu. Now click on Trend Review, which will take you to the Trend Tables menu. You can enlarge this view by clicking on the expansion box, located here. Now click on the Print button, and then select Print Trend Graph. A print preview window will appear. Now, follow the prompts to print, like in the previous example. Now, click on Main Screen to close out this menu, and return to main viewing status. I hope you have enjoyed this instructional video. Please visit our website at trytechmonitors.com for more videos like this one. Until then, happy monitoring.